Penguins are flightless birds. They live primarily in the Southern Hemisphere. There are 18 species of penguins. The emperor penguin is the tallest and heaviest penguin species. The little blue penguin is the smallest species. Penguins have a layer of blubber for insulation. They also have dense, oily feathers to keep them warm. Penguins are excellent swimmers. They can swim at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, 24 kilometers per hour. They primarily eat fish, squid, and krill. Penguins can dive to great depths in search of food. The emperor penguin can dive up to 1,850 feet 565 meters. They can stay underwater for up to 20 minutes. These colonies are called rookeries. Some penguin species mate for life. The emperor penguin is known for its long breeding cycle. During the breeding season, male emperor penguins incubate the eggs. They do this by balancing the egg on their feet under a flap of skin. Female emperor penguins go to sea to feed while the males incubate the eggs. Penguins have a unique call to identify their mate and chicks. They have specialized glands to excrete excess salt from their bodies. Penguins' black and white plumage provides camouflage. Their black backs blend in with the ocean depths from above. Their white bellies blend in with the bright surface from below. Penguins are found on every continent in the Southern Hemisphere. The Galapagos penguin lives near the equator. Penguins can drink seawater. They have a gland above their eyes that filters out salt. During molting, they shed old feathers and grow new ones. Penguins are very agile on land despite their waddling gait. They can toboggan on their bellies to move quickly across the ice. Some species build nests out of pebbles. The Adlai penguin is known for stealing pebbles from other nests. Penguins communicate through vocalizations and body language. They have a sharp pointed beak. Penguins can be found in a variety of climates, from Antarctica to temperate islands. They are highly adapted to cold environments. Penguins have a special gland to keep their eyes lubricated. Their eyes are adapted to see well underwater. Penguins can control their body temperature. They have a counter-current heat exchange system in their flippers and legs. Penguins' bones are solid and heavy to help them dive. Some penguins can live up to 20 years in the wild. The oldest known penguin fossil is about 62 million years old. Penguins have been depicted in art and literature for centuries. They are a popular attraction at zoos and aquariums. Climate change poses a threat to penguin populations. Melting ice affects their breeding grounds. Overfishing can reduce their food supply. Oil spills can damage their feathers and reduce their insulation. Penguins play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. They help control fish and squid populations. Penguins are also prey for seals, sharks, and orcas. Human activity can disturb their nesting sites. Conservation efforts are in place to protect penguins. Penguins are often featured in films and cartoons. The most famous fictional penguin is probably Pingu. Penguins have a strong sense of community. They help each other during the harsh breeding season. Penguins can recognize each other's voices. Some penguin species build nests in burrows or under rocks. The African penguin is also known as the jackass penguin because of its braying call. Penguins' legs are set far back on their bodies, which helps them swim but makes walking awkward. Penguins have excellent hearing. They use vocalizations to coordinate group activities like hunting. Penguins' feathers are waterproof. They spend about half their lives on land and half in the water. Penguin chicks have fluffy down feathers. Parents take turns feeding their chicks. Penguins' beaks can vary in shape depending on their diet. The chinstrap penguin is named for the thin black band under its head. The king penguin is the second largest penguin species. The macaroni penguin has distinctive yellow crest feathers. Penguins are known for their upright posture. Penguins' flippers are adapted for swimming, not flying. Penguins do not have external ears. They have excellent underwater vision. Penguins are highly specialized for their aquatic lifestyle. The rockhopper penguin is known for its distinctive red eyes and spiky feathers. Penguins can travel long distances to find food. They can fast for long periods during the breeding season. Penguins are highly efficient swimmers, using a side-to-side motion. Penguins' webbed feet help them steer in the water. Penguins' eggs are usually white or pale green. The Magellanic penguin is found in South America. The yellow-eyed penguin is native to New Zealand. Penguins use body language to show affection or aggression. Penguins' feathers are tightly packed to provide insulation. The genta penguin is the fastest swimming penguin species. The fairy penguin is another name for the little blue penguin. Penguins are monogamous during the breeding season. Penguins' vocalizations can be very loud and varied. Penguins have a strong homing instinct. The Humboldt penguin is found along the coast of Chile and Peru. Penguins have been the subject of numerous scientific studies. These social animals often live in large colonies, called rookeries, which can range from a few hundred to several thousand individuals. Penguins communicate through vocalizations and body language. Their diet consists mainly of fish, squid, and krill, and they are skilled divers, with some species capable of reaching depths of over 1,800 feet and holding their breath for up to 20 minutes. On land, they may appear clumsy with their characteristic waddling gait, but they can move swiftly by tobogganing on their bellies across the ice. Penguins are well equipped for cold environments, with a layer of blubber and dense, oily feathers to keep them insulated. Despite their adaptability, they face numerous threats from climate change, overfishing, and habitat destruction, making conservation efforts crucial for their survival. The oldest known penguin fossil is about 62 million years old. Penguins have been depicted in art and literature for centuries. They are a popular attraction at zoos and aquariums. Climate change poses a threat to penguin populations. Female emperor penguins go to sea to feed while the males incubate the eggs. Penguins have a unique call to identify their mate and chicks. They have specialized glands to excrete excess salt from their bodies. Penguins' black and white plumage provides camouflage. Some penguin species mate for life. The emperor penguin is known for its long breeding cycle. During the breeding season, male emperor penguins incubate the eggs. They do this by balancing the egg on their feet under a flap of skin. Hunting coordination. Penguins often hunt in groups to herd fish into tighter schools, making them easier to catch. Feather waterproofing. Penguins' feathers are coated with oil from a gland near the base of their tail to provide waterproofing. Foraging distance. Penguins can travel long distances to find food, sometimes up to 500 miles 800 kilometers round trip. Odi proportions. Penguins' legs are set far back on their bodies, aiding in their aquatic lifestyle. Chick development. Penguin chicks grow rapidly, and parents work hard to ensure they are well